I once spent 3 days editing a video, cutting out all the silence, adding transition, color grading, and removing background noise. And after everything, I watched this video like 4 times and then I posted it. But guess what? I got 7 views.
What?
I mean, 7. And I was sitting there thinking, what's the point of this whole thing? Here is what I know now that I didn't know back then. The problem was never how long I spent editing my video. Problem was I was editing the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you the editing workflow that I use on my phone that's completely free, and it actually produced a better video than the 3 days disaster. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nkechi, a small creator documenting her journey and sharing what I have learned to help small creators like me to improve in their growth journey. Subscribe and grow with me. Before I show you my workflow, I want to ask you something. Have you ever finished recording your video and you open your editing app and just freeze, like you don't know where to start? That was me every single time. And the reason why is something that nobody talks about. Stay with me. Today we're talking about editing. This is one thing that freaks me out every single time. Because filming means just press record and you get to it. But editing, that is where most people give up. This is the real reason why editing is hard. Here is one thing that nobody told you. Editing feels hard because you try to do one thing in one app and in one sitting at the same time. So here's the picture. You open your CapCut, you upload your raw footage, and you're thinking about cutting out all the silence and adding captions and adding color grading and background and effect, and your brain will just shut down. This one is not a skill problem, it's overwhelm problem. From when I started separating editing into 2 simple stages, everything got better. I stopped making it hard. I stopped spending 3 days in editing the videos that would probably flop. And I started finishing my editing and posting them. As simple as that. So let me show you the 2 stages. In this first stage, I'm not even going to lie. I didn't know this one was possible on a free app until I tried it by accident. And some of you must have seen my video that I made about how you can edit your video using Vmake AI. That's the one. Stage 1 is using your Vmake AI. If you're not using Vmake AI, then we're missing a lot. Vmake AI helped me to clean out every repetitions, all the silence, the filler words, the things you don't want in your video. And when I mean clean, it cleanses everything out in just one single click. That means instead of spending hours slowing yourself down, trimming out all the silence, all the parts you don't want in your video, Vmake AI will do it for you in just one single click. Of course, I'm not monetized yet, so Vmake AI will not even pay me to make this video. But I'm telling you, Vmake AI is the best AI editor that you can use out there. Just follow me. If you have been watching my video, you will know that this Vmake AI is what I have been using alongside with my CapCut, and it has helped me to come up with the best quality video in a long time. Let me tell you the part that genuinely surprised me. No silence automatically. Once you upload your video through the caption feature, Vmake AI automatically adds captions to your video and then takes you directly to the trim feature where you will see all the silence, the pauses, the repetitions and everything. So you don't need to start doing them one by one all on your own. Just within a space of 2 minutes, you're done uploading and done cutting out and you're ready to export your video. The first time I came across Vmake AI, I was so blown. Like, so I could do this with an app and I've been wasting my time all these months. Something I will do for weeks. And this app just does it in minutes. This is the only thing that you take from this video. Make sure to download Vmake AI. Seriously. And here your stage 1 is done. Your video flows naturally, no dead end, no repetitions, no silence. So just have a video of you saying what you want to say in your video, what you need to keep in your video. Truth is, a clean video and a good video are not the same. And that is where your stage 2 comes in. Once I upload my video into CapCut, by this time, I'm not editing anymore. It's just time for me to polish my video. In CapCut is where I handle just three things. One is the background, the one you're watching right now. You already know that this background is not real. I made a video about it, so we're not going to go deep. All you just need to know is that you add your background, make your video to be in 16:9 aspect ratio and slightly blur, and you're done. And the number two thing we're doing in CapCut is adding caption. I like to add auto caption to my video in CapCut because people come across your video and maybe they are walking, but they want to watch your video in silence. And only the caption will enable them to watch your video and understand what you're doing. If your video doesn't have caption, that means you already lost some views and maybe subscribers. All you need to do after adding your caption is make sure to go through all the captions and edit any word that came out wrongly. Because in my own case, AI can spoil my name a lot. It gives me a lot of funny names. And every other text also can come out wrongly. So make sure to keep that simple, bold, and readable. And the number three things we are doing in CapCut is adjusting the color, brightening the video slightly, contrast if needed. Also made a video about how you can keep your video on the same color grading, lightness, and everything. I'm going to add all the links in this video so that you go through them. All of these things does take few minutes and it makes a video that you film in a dark room look like you actually know what you're doing. Lastly, if you like to add effects to your video, you can go ahead and add effects. Sometimes if I have an ample time, I add effects to my video. But if I don't have an ample time, I just leave out effects on my video, but I make sure that every other things are okay. I spent like 20 minutes in CapCut because by the time I uploaded my video to CapCut, almost all the work were already done. Even after I found Vmake AI and also found a workflow on how to simplify my work using both the app Vmake and CapCut, I still fall into the trap of trying to over polish my videos, like adding effects that I didn't need, changing things that were already fine, watching the video like 5 times, 6, 7, 8, just looking for something to fix. And you already know what this is. It's called perfectionism. That's not editing. That is called fear. Fear that the video may not come out good enough. Fear that you may post and it flops again. I had to learn something really hard. Imperfect video that you posted will outperform the one you never posted. And that's the truth, always. So now I have a rule. Once I've done my 2 stages, Vmake CapCut, I watch it back like twice just for clarity, and that's it. I fix anything that is genuinely misaligned. Maybe there was noise in my background. I quickly go straight into Adobe Podcast and clean out my audio and paste it back to my CapCut. Anything that seems like maybe a wrong caption, basically something that may seem embarrassing in the video. And then I export it. No second guessing, no watching back to back. I'll just export and post. So here is my final checklist just before I export. Did Vmake AI remove all the dead air? Does it flow? And number 2, are my captions on and are the mistakes fixed? And number 3, did I adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness in CapCut? And 4, is my background set to 16:9 aspect ratio? My first 30 seconds strong because that's where most people drop out, especially if you're a small creator. We still struggle with that sometimes. If all of these 5 are checked, then that's it for me. Nothing more. It's time to export in 1080p. Then I'll post and move on to the next video. That's the whole system. I spent 3 days on a video, 3 days of my life, and it got 7 views. It because I was complicating everything for myself when I didn't need it to be complicated. You don't need a laptop. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to spend your whole life editing just one video. You don't even need to have an editing experience before you use Vmake AI or CapCut. You only need Vmake AI and CapCut, even as a novice or as a learner, whatever word goes for you. What you need is a simple process that you can repeat every single time. So if you have any unedited video that you've been finding it hard to edit, use this workflow that I have just introduced to you right now. You will not need to be scared of editing your videos anymore. Go and download Vmake AI right now from your app Play Store. Clean your video and post it. Come close, let me tell you something. You are more than you think. I'm Nkechi, and this is my 30 days reset, in which this is my third video since the 30 days reset. I know I haven't been consistent, but this is the reason why I am doing this 30 days reset. And every single day that I post a video counts for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and so on. If you still watch this video to this point, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Do not click away without subscribing to my channel. Like this video so that YouTube will show it to more people. We have come to the end of the video and I love you guys. I will see you again in my next video.